Oh shit, I stopped recording.
That's the second time tonight.
That you farted. You farted twice tonight.
That's the second time tonight.
You're so gross, Kayla. And in real life. Oh my god. We're watching a video and she farted twice.
No.
In fiction and in real life.
That is not I.
That is not I. That is not I. Give my phone.
It's not. Look at her guilty face. Just look at it. Your father's snowing. He's snowing. Go get him, beast. Go get him, tiger. It's your turn. Actually, this shit's on bed. Oh.
This video is gold.
But your father is snoring right now. Look at his fucking chimp feet. Just look at it. It gets blurry when I get too close. Chimp feet. Dun-dun. 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 That shit's disgusting, yo. When you grow up, that shit's gonna be yours. You're real life. I hope you
Forget.
your mother's speed.
Busted.
I really don't think we should.
Busted. Busted. Kayla, you farted.
I had not even had a sip of alcohol tonight. That's hers. That's apple juice. Look at your mom's drink.
Yeah, that's mine. Yeah, I admit I'm drinking Bud Light. But your father's passed out, which says something. I can hardly drink it. Because he's a pussy.
This is true.
This is
He's
true.
always up later than the boy.
Hey, what the fuck is up with that?
So when you grow up,
And I only had 3 hours of sleep today because someone was, you. Yeah.
Me?
Yeah. No, not you.
oh, like what?
Was riding his dad like a donkey.
That sounds really weird.
It was true. Andrew was sleeping, and your father was sleeping. You were on his leg, and going, at 1 o'clock in the morning. So I was up till 3 while you were deciding to ride your father like a donkey.
Can we
This
put
might
this
be
on
my
Andrew's
idea.
Facebook tonight?
Okay.
Do you think he'd be
But-
pissed? I'm
So
done.
3 with you. And then got up at 7. I just took a shower.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum.
Just saying.
Yum.
Maybe it would happen again.
Side note, they gave you a bath 3 times today.
Yeah. No, it was 4.
Damn.
You gotta play in the dirt.
I don't.
But you can't see me though.
What you gonna get in this dough?
You've seen it. You've seen it.
So yummy.
Olives. She's eating olives. Ew, don't touch it. It's attacking!